This Selkirk Sport SLK Club Pickleball Bundle is a well-thought-out starter package that gives new players everything they need to get on the court without feeling overwhelmed by gear choices. The 4 paddles are pleasantly lightweight and evenly balanced, which makes it easier for beginners to swing comfortably and develop consistent strokes over longer sessions. Each paddle uses a combination of graphite and fiberglass on the face, providing a forgiving sweet spot that helps mishits stay in play while still offering enough feedback for learning control. The SX3 honeycomb core inside the paddles adds a stable, predictable feel on contact, so shots come off the face with reliable pace and placement as skills improve. With 4 paddles, 6 durable hybrid-style pickleballs, and 2 mesh sling bags, the set is clearly designed for small groups or families who want to start playing right away. Overall, the bundle stands out for pairing user-friendly performance with practical accessories, making it an especially strong choice for introducing friends or kids to pickleball.